Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Magic Bean on Palmon Survival. You know that feeling when a game shows you a resource you need, but gives absolutely zero clues on where it comes from? That's exactly what happened to me when I started looking for Magic Beans and Palmon Survival. After digging through the menus and checking the Miracle Growth section, I noticed a small detail that explains everything. Magic Beans are earned through real money purchases. If you tap on the Miracle Growth screen, you see a note stating that every purchase grants Magic Beans. That means spending gems, coins, or other regular in-game currencies won't count. Instead, you'll need to buy one of the paid packs or offers available in the game. I checked several sections including daily essentials, weekly wonders, the Palmon store, and various limited time event offers, and they'll follow the same idea. The amount of magic beans you receive typically scales with how much you're spending, so larger purchases usually award more. If your goal is to level up Miracle Growth, your best option is simply to look for the purchase that offers the most value for your budget. Unfortunately, there doesn't appear to be a free method for earning magic beans at the moment. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.